How did the first assembly line create consumer culture? Have you ever wondered how a simple idea transformed the way we buy things? The first assembly line, developed in the early 20th century, played a key role in shaping consumer culture. Most notably, Henry Ford popularized this method in 1913, changing manufacturing forever. The assembly line revolutionized production by breaking down tasks into simple, repetitive actions. Workers specialized in one task, which made the process faster and more efficient. Ford introduced a moving conveyor system, allowing products to flow seamlessly from one station to another. This innovation cut the time to build a car from over 12 hours to just about 1.5 hours. As production times decreased, so did costs. This made products, especially automobiles like the Ford Model T, affordable for many more people. No longer were cars just for the wealthy, they became accessible to the average family. This shift was essential in the rise of consumer culture, as more people could now buy goods that were once considered luxuries. The assembly line also set new expectations for product availability. With mass production, consumers began to expect standardized and reliable products. This created a culture where owning manufactured goods became a symbol of success and social status. People wanted to keep up with their neighbors, leading to increased demand for various products. In the broader context, the assembly line was part of the Industrial Revolution and the early stages of the digital revolution. It marked a significant shift from craft-based production to mechanized manufacturing. This change not only altered how products were made, but also how society interacted with them. It laid the groundwork for modern consumer economies. The introduction of the assembly line led to several practical outcomes. Production times and costs dropped significantly, making goods more affordable. Products became standardized, ensuring consistent quality. There were also more job opportunities for unskilled and semi-skilled workers, as factories needed many hands to keep up with demand. As industries expanded beyond automobiles, the influence of the assembly line reached sectors like electronics, appliances, and food processing. The rise of mass markets meant that consumers had more choices than ever before. In summary, the first assembly line was a milestone that reshaped economic structures and social behaviors. It made products widely accessible and embedded consumption into everyday life, effectively creating the modern consumer culture we know today.